Most people think Uranus is just a boring, tilted ice ball. They're wrong. NASA and the ESA just released a report that proves Uranus is the most broken planet in the solar system. James Webb just finished a 17-hour death stare at the ice giant, and what it found 5,000 kilometers above the clouds is terrifying. The planet's magnetic field isn't just tilted, it's literally warping the atmosphere into shapes that shouldn't exist. We have just seen the first 3D map of a world that is cooling down while the rest of the universe is heating up. This isn't just a discovery, it's a warning that our understanding of planetary science is fundamentally flawed. On Earth, our magnetic field acts like a shield. On Uranus, it acts like a blender. Because the magnetic poles are 60 degrees off-center and don't even start in the planet's core, the auroras don't stay at the top and bottom. Webb detected two massive auroral ribbons that sweep across the planet's equator. And in between those ribbons, there are dark voids, regions where the ion density is almost zero. It's as if the magnetic field is literally ripping the atmosphere apart in 3 dimensions. But here is the part that has scientists panicking. Uranus is dying. For the last 30 years, data from ground telescopes suggested the planet was cooling, and Webb just confirmed it. The upper atmosphere has hit a record low of 150 degrees Celsius. In a universe where giant planets usually trap heat, Uranus is leaking it like a punctured balloon. If a planet loses its internal heat, it loses its ability to generate a magnetic shield. If Uranus's shield fails, the solar wind will strip it naked. This discovery forces us to ask, is planet Uranus a glimpse into the future of every ice giant in the galaxy? Why should you care about a planet 1.8 billion miles away? Because according to the latest Kepler and TESS data, ice giants are the most common type of planet in the Milky Way. When we look for Earth 2.0, we usually find worlds that look exactly like Uranus. If Uranus is behaving this way, with a lopsided magnetic field and a cooling core, it means the billions of exoplanets we thought could host life are likely radioactive, atmospheric nightmares. We aren't just studying a planet, we're studying the blueprint of the universe, and it turns out the blueprint is broken. NASA is now using this new data to finalize the Uranus orbiter and probe mission. But the question is, can our probes even survive a magnetosphere this violent? Is Uranus a dead world, or is it just beginning to change? Tell us in the comments section if you think we should prioritize Uranus over Mars. The most objective scientific theory gets pinned. This is NASA Community News. Subscribe to see what happens next.